so that he will come second time. Because we have no business with Fulani man. So I share the same opinion with the mid-belt, even if the Yoruba school.
Hello guys, welcome back to Lukabanga. I think you can see it yourself and see what's going on in the video. Although I'm going to play the video, but for you to watch the full video, you must watch the full video and make sure, don't forget to subscribe. And also the video, the one from Nnamdi Kanu, I'm going to drop that one too here, and you hear what he says in the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I've said it before, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because without you being subscribed to our channel, there's no way you get to see our next video. Thank you all as it is so, and also try to share the video with your lovely ones and share it with your friends and loved ones. Thank you all as it is so. May God bless you all, and please don't forget to subscribe, because I've said it before. Tap on the subscribe button at the top, tap it, that's all. Thank you. Just watch the video and see,
so that he will come second time, because we have no business with Fulani man. So I share the same opinion with the mid-belt, even if the Yoruba school understand and allow Bola medicine.
So look at the fact that but if you think that Nnamdi Kanu may want to make the Igbos favor Bola medicine?
Yes, I think it's a political issue this time around. He can just use it to compare the Igbos, because if you do that, I can see the Igbo man being happy, and if Bola medicine play his role well and become a good politician that everybody pray him to be, I think Igbo man will at least support, because we can no longer bear the Fulanis. Their excesses are getting out of hands. The Fulanis are too bloody, too barbaric, too segregative, and they are land grabbers. There's no how people that don't have upstairs should continue to handle their affairs. The hems of affair or leadership, politically, totally otherwise, of this country. We want people that knows what it takes to run an economy, to run a presidential system of government squarely to favor everybody. We shouldn't allow presidential system or leadership of this country on the hands of those that are too clannish and tribalistic. That is the people called wanderers, nomadic, wandering and vandals, and their name is Fulani. We don't need these people. They have rubbished the political system of Nigeria, and our leadership has become the worst in the world. Very, very unbearable.
So what is the way forward for the Igbos? People like Chukwuma Soludo seem to be a betrayer.
Yeah. Soludo is an aggrieved man, ugly man. If you ask me, the ugliest governor that has ever ruled Anambra State is Soludo. I know all the governors right from Atom Pera. Pera is from Benue State. Anthony Echefu is from I think he's an Anambra man, an Igbo man. Then Jimmy Fine Chukwuobodo, a handsome man, I think he's from Udi. Yeah, an Enugu man, Ogo. I know about who is this man? Alison Madu Eke. He's from Oji, border of Anambra and Enugu, a handsome man. Then I know about Nnamdi Kanu, John Obieze. Akonobi is from Nimo. Neni is from Neni, Anambra man. These are handsome governors still. Obiano, Oga, Soludo, I'm telling you, look at him how he looks. He's a dangerous man. That is the stumbling block Nnamdi Kanu's problem has today, because actually we've seen a federal government that was defeated in the court of law by Nnamdi Kanu. The case handled by Ozekome, Barrister Alochus Ejimako, and the rest of them. They actually dazzled in the court of law, and they bring it to everybody's notice that Nnamdi Kanu is illegally detained by federal government under administration under Buhari, and the comfort made for Tinubu to have released Sunday Igboho, allowing Nnamdi Kanu to perish in the prison at DSS facilities. It is uncalled for. I don't really understand. So what I'm trying to say is that Soludo is the issue we have right now. He's an enemy of the Igbos. He's an enemy of Biafra. And comfort me, he's going to be treated as an ostracized exile, fugitive, for turning his back on Nnamdi Kanu or Biafra issue.
So finally, before I let you go, do you think that the Igbos are the problem among the. Somebody said, until the Igbo unite, they may never get Biafra.
No, that's a wrong assertion of the Igbos. Someone is writing wrong narrative about the Igbos. The most united tribe in Africa is Igbo man. Igbo man is united in Ghana, united in Kenya, united in Nairobi, in Tanzania. Igbo man is united in Gambia, Zambia, all over the world. No tribe has been in that uniformity except the Jews. I mean the Israeli. That's where you can see that kind of, let me say, ethnic cooperation, ethnic unity. There's no disunity among the Igbos. They are the most united tribe in Africa. At least there are many people, if you count in Lagos here, that were helped by their Igbo friends and their Igbo brothers. The apprenticeship of Igbo man, how Igbo man succeed on entrepreneurship, become the most enterprising tribe people in Africa, is what is being studied as a curriculum or a course in Oxford University, Harvard University, and so on and so forth. So I've never seen such a tribe. Anybody that is saying that out of curiosity, because everybody right now is so earnest, eager. If you have not taken courage to see Nnamdi Kanu come out of the prison, that's why they are chanting, Igbo is not united. Blah, blah. Who tells them? Who tells that person? Remove your eyes from that side. Many people that are benefiting from the political leadership of the country are the ones, the Igbos in the southeastern,
our own source of the idol, you understand, to get our way with God. You see why we embrace Christianity and we are using Christ as our own idol to worship God, to go to get to God. You get it? So that is why. But when you come to this Islamic, they are calling Muhammad. They say Prophet Muhammad. And let me tell you, Muhammad, they call a prophet. Jesus is not a prophet. Are you getting it? He's God. And he remained. Muhammad died and Muhammad never resurrected. But Jesus died and he resurrected to prove to you that he has the power of life and he has power of death. And he can never be a dead God. You understand? So you don't expect me to come and begin to bow to dead God like Muhammad. You understand? He died and he never resurrected.
So, Pastor, if you are saying that evangelists, you're saying that the Southeasterners they will reject this so-called Sharia law.
Reject it already. It has been rejected from the origin. The Manfodio, what's his name? Ended his Danfodio, good and fine. Thank you for correcting me. Ended his career journey on the way. He did not get to the east. That is to tell you, we don't want Islam, we don't want jihadists.
So then if you say that you don't want Islam, you don't want jihadists, what is the way forward for the Igbos? You talk about a nation, your agitators are in detention as now. Your governors seem not to be working for you. What is the way forward for the Southeastern youth?
Now listen and listen good. What is happening is divine. And why I don't know why many people are like being jingled or jingled because of Nnamdi Kanu invitation or like our PM being suspended for now on social media. Listen to me. Go and check the foundation. Go and follow the foundation of what? Freedom. Starting from the Bible. So they are not the first, it's not the best news. Now go to South Africa.
Those keeping me in detention are those that are either benefiting or profiting from this. That's all there is to it. Okay. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra Land to be calm and peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. And we'll continue to do so until we get victory.
Section 2, 3F of Terrorism Prohibition and Prevention Act says I cannot be tried in Nigeria. That's the law of Nigeria. Yes. I can never be tried in any court of law in Nigeria. That's what the law says. Say it again. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. As simple as not me. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committing an act of terrorism. Yes. Very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person is not done anywhere in the world at all. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump bail. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial. Is not done anywhere in the world. And it happened in my case. Nobody there's no exception. No exception whatsoever. That's what the law says. Section 12 of the Constitution, what does it say? Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes law. It's law. You cannot change it. It doesn't matter what they do. All these shenanigans is just pure rubbish. You never stand. Not with me.